Hello everyone. Welcome to Salesforce Ladder. Today we'll look at the top 10 Salesforce Chrome extensions that every admin and developer must have. These tools will boost your productivity and save you tons of time. So let's dive in. 1. Organizer for Salesforce. Organizer helps you manage access to multiple Salesforce orgs without constantly logging in. You can label, color code, and bookmark your different sandboxes, developer orgs, and production environments. It adds a floating toolbar so you can jump into any saved org with one click. 2. Salesforce Inspector Reloaded. This is an upgraded, community-driven version of the original Salesforce Inspector. While it retains all the core features like record data viewing, editing and query execution, it improves performance and user interface. The reloaded version offers a more modern design and fixes several bugs found in the older version. 3. Salesforce DevTools. Salesforce DevTools is an all-in-one powerhouse extension. It lets you run SOQL queries, view object metadata, export data, inspect fields, and manage records from a single dashboard. It even includes schema viewing, record insert, update, and layout previews. You can quickly access standard and custom object metadata, relationships, and picklist values. 4. Salesforce Advanced Code Searcher. Advanced Code Searcher helps developers find Apex classes, triggers, Visual Force pages, Lightning components, and more in one place. It provides a global search bar that sits right inside your Salesforce interface. It even provides direct links to open those components in the proper editor. 5. Salesforce Colored Favicons. Colored favicons helps visually distinguish your Salesforce orgs using browser tab icons. For example, you can set production orgs to show a red icon, and sandboxes to green or blue. This prevents accidental changes in the wrong environment, a mistake that could be costly. It's a visual safety net, especially useful when you have multiple tabs open across different orgs. 6. Salesforce Page Optimizer. Salesforce Page Optimizer is a performance analysis tool that evaluates your Lightning pages and provides recommendations for improvements. When a Lightning page is loading slowly, SPO helps identify performance bottlenecks such as too many components, slow loading custom code, or excessive data requests. It generates a downloadable report with scores and suggestions, like reducing component count or lazy loading tabs. 7. Salesforce Show API Name. This handy extension shows API names of fields, objects, record types, and even picklist values directly on the page in Salesforce UI. Once enabled, you can hover over labels or click a toggle to display API names beside their friendly labels. It's incredibly helpful when working with formula fields, flows, Apex classes, or integrations, all of which require API names, not labels. 8. Apex Debugger. This extension helps format and analyze Apex debug logs, which are otherwise messy and hard to read. You can filter logs by log level like debug, error, info, and fatal. It also color codes statements for easier identification of execution paths. Developers can instantly see how their code is behaving and isolate issues like DML limits, null pointer errors, or failed validations. 9. Salesforce Change Set Helper Renewed. Change Set Helper simplifies the painful process of creating and managing change sets. It allows you to search, filter, and bulk add, remove metadata components instead of scrolling endlessly. You can also compare change sets between orgs, helping reduce deployment mismatches. 10. LWC Editor. LWC Editor is a browser-based development tool that allows you to create, edit, and deploy Lightning Web components directly within your Salesforce org, without needing VS Code. It provides a simple IDE-like experience inside the browser, complete with syntax highlighting and real-time code previews. Developers can write HTML, JS, and meta files for LWCs and push changes with one click. If you know any other awesome extensions, drop them in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Salesforce Ladder for more amazing content.